All right, you freedom-loving boys and girls, Centerline System. Hey, it's Sunday, the 8th of March. I didn't do a customer shout out last week. I do have a couple items, but I'm going to do a customer shout out that's slightly different. And this is going to be in support of, here, let me just zoom in. Too much, Mark. Arizona Trail, that's as close as you get. Anyway, Arizona Trail Veterans Program headed by Chappie. Now, on Wednesday, this upcoming Wednesday, so what's that, 9, 10, on the 11th of March, Chappie's going to be our guest for our CLS After Dark. He's got a very special thing going on in the very near future. We're going to help promote that. He's going to be coming to Duluth for a separate program, which is just too freaking bizarrely awesome. So we'll talk about that. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show off some of the gear we just finished today. That's going to go out to his program, the Arizona Trail, the Vets program, because we really believe in what he's doing out there. I want to support him as best I can because, you know, Chappie's a veteran himself. I'm a veteran. And, you know, Mother Nature does so many wonders, you know, where the VA just wants to give you fentanyl-based and oxycodone-based drugs. Chappie's out there getting veterans, working with each other, back in part of a group, a community, you know, and then outside, out in the nature, you know, building new trails, maintaining trails that everybody gets to enjoy. So here's what we're doing for Chappie. Like I said, we'll have him on Wednesday. We'll talk more. We're going to do, yeah, I'm going to zoom in here. And, you know, Multicam Arid is off of the website because that's his color. A couple of people have managed to order somehow. I don't know. You must have had it in your shopping cart from months ago, but here's one of our big boy folding saw pouches in Multicam Arid. That's going out to Chappie. And we'll have more on Wednesday. Here's one of our meat bags. The shoulder straps are tucked in. That's going out there to him. Meat bag. A couple things that really will make sense. A couple utility pouches. And I'm going to have a video on the utility pouches in the very near future. So we got 2 utility pouches in Multicam Arid going out to them. And then 2 med kits. These are the med kits we make for Jack over at Black Scout Survival. Got to have med kits. So we're going to make 2 med. We made 2 med kits. And then, you know, it's his program, not mine. So, you know, he isn't sure if a scout or the mother would be the better product for his crew and what they're doing on the water side. So we'll just throw one of those out there each, see what he's got to say, see what he thinks works best for his program, and then we'll make him another one. And I think we're still going to make him a rucksack too with the X-Pack on the inside. That's the video. Just want to give a shout out. So Wednesday, the 11th of March, you know, I should probably confirm that's the 11th. It should be. Yeah, Wednesday, the 11th of March on our CLS After Dark. Chappie will be our guest. And we'll talk about some of the cool things he's got coming up and some of the ways that we're going to help support it. Because again, you know, God bless him. God bless any program that's out there who's really trying to help veterans as opposed to just throwing drugs at them or just forgetting them. You know, we could have solved so many problems so many times over, but instead we're wasting our money on things that, yeah, well, we'll see. Maybe that stuff will come up on Wednesday. Hey, and then I got to end it. We're short video, so I just got to throw in another Steve L joke whenever I can. Hey, everybody, what do you call a fake noodle? That's right, an impasta. I love the dad jokes. Steve, keep coming. Keep throwing them in there, my good man. Keep sharing. I'll keep sharing up on here on the recordings, the videos. So, hey, if you got questions, comments, you know the deal. Reach out anytime. I'll do the best I can to help you out. Really hope to see you on Wednesday with our CLS After Dark. That's always at 1800. And now it's daylight savings time. Oh, don't even get me started on that crap that just started today. But it'll be 1800 Central daylight savings time, whatever that fake time. That's what I just called. So meet us there, 1800 fake time on Wednesday, 11th. Me and Chappie, CLS After Dark. We'll talk about his program. But like I said, reach out anytime. I'll do the best I can to help you out. Until then, keep thinking, keep moving, never quit. We'll see everybody again real soon. All right, everybody, be good.